Hi! Γεια σας παιδιά. Θα το περισσότερο θα το κάνω στα αγγλικά. So this is gonna be mainly an English stream. I'm sorry for people who probably won't be able to watch this because of that. But I'm streaming in all of my accounts right now, so I want this to be the most inclusive stream I probably can. Anyway, so please let me know if the music is too loud or something like that. So, what this stream about? About this. Yes. So it's been like a year now that I've been trying to source whatever I need to make like a gaming PC to play older games, because emulating isn't exactly doing it the right way, let's say. So having proper hardware, sometimes it's a lot better than just using an emulator or like a virtual machine. You know, these things like almost never work out how you want them. So I managed to grab a lot of stuff in more than a year. So let me show you guys. So what we have here, we have a brand new DVD recorder, and it's actually an IDE interface, so that will go nicely with our motherboard. We have a genuine Windows 98 installation, and yes, I'm hiding the serial number, like you can't find one. IDE cables, brand new Kingston memories, you can see here. Okay, it's not focusing right, but anyway. A brand new 160 gigabyte IDE drive. I don't know if you can see. I mean, okay. I think this was the easiest thing that I found from all this. Okay, this was an unused Micro ATX motherboard. It uses a Celeron. I hope I'm not mistaken, it's a 370 motherboard. And it has an AGP slot, 3 PCI and 1 ISA slots. The good thing about it is the ISA slot. Yeah, because I wanted to play some older games and I also wanted to try out some cards. For now, it will probably host only this card, which is like a Sound Blaster Vibra 16. So this is gonna be, this is an ISA card, by the way. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, it's really long. The sad fact is that it will actually take up 2 slots, because on this motherboard, I don't know if you can see, on this motherboard, you can't have both PCI and ISA. You can't use them both. They will actually will not work properly. So this motherboard was somehow brand new, but I had to change some capacitors and I had to find a stupid fan to make it work. But other than that, it was in pretty good condition. So what else we have here? We have a brand new network card, and it's a gigabit interface. I don't even know if Windows 98 will be able to support this properly, but I know there are drivers for it, so we'll probably work with my network attached storage, I hope, and the graphics card. Okay, now I've played so many games on this card. This card, I had it on a secondary PC, but still, I bought it near I think 2001 or 2000. It's somehow newer, I guess, but it's a TNT2. Yeah, it's a Riva TNT 264. So I don't know. There you are. Okay. So I think it will go along nicely. And the CPU, it's a 533 megahertz one, I think. Yeah, 533 megahertz. a Celeron. So anyhow, we'll see more later. Should I show you the this is the box, but I don't think you can see it. I will probably just show it to you. Just give me a second. Okay. So this is the box, the case, and there's a PSU inside. So I think I have everything, and we have some tie wraps here and some screws. So I'm gonna take everything away and just place the case here so we can start putting things in. But before I do that, I think it would be nice if we placed the RAM first, because I can place it later, I guess. Okay, so let's just move everything on the side. It's fine. And before anyone says anything about electrostatic things, I live on an island. The humidity makes it almost impossible to get static here. So there's that. I never had an issue before, I shouldn't have an issue now. If something dies, it will be live and I will be forever sad about it. Okay, so so this is an InWin case. Should be able to take it apart somehow. Come on. So yeah, the two parts come off together sometimes. Okay, so we need to install everything. Oh, we also have a floppy drive. I forgot about this. Yeah, so we have a floppy drive here. So we're gonna do also that, and the PSU. This was actually included in the case, but I tested it and it was fine. Thanks, dude. So we can just use it. And okay. I should have probably cleaned the cables a little better. Sorry for the noise. These are cables. I can't do a lot about that. I just hope I'm putting it the right way. Great. So for this power supply, I just used this thing. Like, you just connect the cables from the power supply and you can just see if the voltages are right here. So it tested fine, and I also opened it up and checked the capacitors, and they look pretty okay. So hopefully it won't explode. So let me see if I put it the right way. So from what I can see, I think I didn't. It's the other way around. And yeah, of course it is, because the fan goes downward. So no, it's not my first build, but it's my first build doing it live. Okay, so we need some screws. Be right back. I do have the motherboard screws, but I can't find the PSU screws. Okay, so we grab the unsorted pile. This is the way to do it. So if you don't remember where your screws are, just keep some extras around and you're fine. So Now we can do this. Okay. Yeah, guys, we're going back in time. Just wait until we get it up and running. I mean, I'm not sure what I'm gonna play first, but I have like some adventure games and some FPS games. I would definitely, like in Windows 98, which Unreal can you play? I'm pretty sure you can play. No, 2004 is too much for us, right? Yeah, 2004 is probably too much for it. Yeah, but Unreal Tournament, the original one, will probably be 60 FPS for sure. Okay, so this is done. Somehow. I think we can try to... Okay, I think I'm missing the stunts. Or not. Am I missing the stunts? Great. Let me check, perhaps we don't need them. Ah, no, we don't need them. The case is made that way that we don't need stunts for it, so it's fine. We're not gonna burn anything. I put it inside the case before. It's not the first time. So I think I'm gonna have to do this. And I also have to look for the motherboard's case, motherboard's manual, because I don't remember where the cables go. These cables, these are the worst cables you can possibly get with the motherboard, because you have no way of knowing where they're going. There usually is no indication on the motherboard. You know the general area, but you need the motherboard's manual in order to do it. Okay, so we need to put some screws in for the motherboard. Hi again. Sorry for you just looking at my t-shirt, but you know it's hard to move the camera around. I hope the overhead camera is fine. Just let me know if you have any issues. I mean, ooh. We can do this. Magnetic screwdriver is always a good idea, although it's not that good of a screwdriver. So it seems like okay, I managed to do it. It's like the face plate, like the back plate using, it's pushing the motherboard a little bit away, but it's fine now. So I had to like push it a little bit to towards the case. So we now have 2 screws in. I'm gonna go for 4. I think I will be fine. It's not going anywhere. Hi guys, hi. Hi to whoever joined. Thank you for being here. I need some company. You can share your memories if you had ever built like an old PC, or if you ever owned like one like this one, which is a Windows 98 build. Let's have this here. I think you can see it, right? Yeah, Windows 98. Ah. Funny thing, perhaps you've noticed, like this looks like duct tape, It doesn't just look like it, it is. So what happened here is like I've actually used the resistor to slow down the fan, because this fan is awfully noisy and this motherboard does not need it to be so strong. So I had to do that, unfortunately, although I don't like it, but I couldn't find a better like CPU or fan for this socket. It was almost impossible to find the proper one. Okay, we can do memory. We can definitely do memory. I know, Takis, I know. So this memory is brand new, guys. I managed to find them sealed, although I've tried them before to make sure that they work. These are just brand new. I mean, you can tell, I think. And this is like 2 sticks of 128 megabytes. So I'm having 256, and that's like the limit for this motherboard. So no, you can't run Chrome. Not even a single tab, probably. Although now that I'm getting like a network card on it, I should try and browse the internet, right? Okay, what else should I do? I think I will try to do the connectors, and for that, I'm sorry, but for that I'm gonna have to look into the manual. For this motherboard, come on, Windows 98. CPU. Headers, where are the headers? Come on. I'm more or less interested only in power right now. And reset, okay, probably. Oh, come on. This motherboard is useless. This manual is just useless. Okay, found it. Okay, so the power switch is the one next to the empty one. So let's find, this is the power LED. So as you can see, it has like, I don't know if you can see, it has some letters on it. So it does say what it is, but you have to figure out where it goes on the motherboard. I wish I could just zoom on the motherboard for you to see, but it's kind of hard to do it. And the reset switch goes there. And then we have a hard drive LED. Whoa. Okay, where does the hard drive? Okay, the hard drive goes. Huh. There's also a buzzer. Okay, I don't know. This is the most useful thing I own, I think, for motherboards. As you can see, it's a buzzer. So the speaker, like the speaker you get for your PC, you can just use this one. It's like really small, but okay, I only have it for testing, and I will use it because it's really useful to know what's going on when the system boots. And from what I can tell, this is the okay, and it also helps me find out what goes where, because it took the space that it had to, so now I don't have to count pins. So let's see. Okay, HDD, power LED. Huh. Oh, there's a single color and a double color power LED. Okay. So yeah, okay, we're using the dual layer one. I don't know. Okay, so we put everything in. This is for the dual, for the single light thing. So I didn't connect one, but that's fine, I guess. So now what? So we have the power connected, that was the easiest part. We have the memories in, we have the CPU installed. We're gonna put in the graphics card. As simple as that. And we're gonna need a screw for it. So nice and tight. Okay. I don't want to move any further if we don't power cycle it first. I mean, I want to see it boot, right? So, you know, I just look at the post or something. So I'm gonna, are we gonna see the magic smoke? Yeah, the graphics card is a TNT2. It's a 64 megabyte one, I think. It might be a 32 megabyte one. So, we've got power. Let me also connect the... I'm not gonna use a keyboard, I'm not gonna use anything. I just wanna see if it will post. And if it does, I will just power it off and start installing the rest. So, it might power on automatically, since I think last time I powered it on, I set it to auto power after failure, so I think it turns on automatically. So let me switch to this view. We should be able to see it here together. So it didn't power. Oh, it did. Are we gonna get a picture? Please? Yes, we got picture. Yes, it works. And it beeped. And it beeped. So there you are. It's a Celeron MMX 533 megahertz. Let me switch back to see it's running. I mean, this is so amazing. So, that's good news. And the memory is testing properly from what I can tell. Let's see. I mean, 200. How many times does it cycle through the memory? Okay, that's enough. That's enough. We're gonna connect the rest of it. Okay, let's just switch back. Okay, so I'm happy enough to see this working. So the memory is fine. The graphics card looks fine. What should I do? I think I should do like the floppy drive and the hard drive and the DVD-ROM drive. So let us put some screws here for the floppy drive. I'm literally using whatever screws I find. I don't know if they're proper for this. We'll see. If they don't fit, I'll find another, but for now I think we're fine. Let's see. I may need smaller ones. I think this is good for hard drive. Why isn't it any good for this? Let's see. The thing with these parts is that you don't get screws with them, so I'm gonna use whatever I have. Hi John. Yeah, SpaceX, yeah, right. This has been done so many times before, so I think it's fine. Okay, so let's see if I need to do this from the other side. It would be nice to place one more for the other side. Let me just see, because it wobbles a bit. So let's hope I can at least one screw from this side, but it's a little bit. Sorry, I know this isn't that much interesting, but since it boots, I promise you I'll show you interesting Windows 98 things. or a slow installation. I'm not sure how long the installation will take. Okay. Oops, sorry. Hey, the floppy drive is installed properly. See? Might be a little too much like inside. It's fine. What about the 18 times super multi DVD rewriter? This is gonna be fun. So this is brand new also. There was a guy from Athens that had this stored, and I don't know if I can show you. So this is the white part because it actually has a black one. Oh, this is gonna take forever to fix. Let's hope it's easy. I don't know. I see 3. Please tell me I don't have to turn it on. I don't have to turn it on, but I need to make it so that it comes out. Damn it. Most probably. Give me a second, guys. So yeah, if I don't want this to be black, I need to take it out and place the white one on it. Where is the paper clip when you need one? Well, I don't use that much paper, so that's my problem. In order to need a paper clip. Okay, give me just a second. Found something, I don't know if it will go inside it. No, it's not long enough. Technical difficulties. So any of you guys or girls have any favorite old games that you'd like to see on this thing? I bet it can run a lot of stuff. Let's see. Dang it. I'm starting to feel like putting it as a black one and then just swapping it later for you guys, so you don't have to just wait for me to find stupid things around my place. I knew I forgot something. So nothing useful in my closet. Damn it. Okay, so I think we'll leave it as it is for now. But it's gonna look awful. I can't do it. So there's like in every drive, in case you ever get one, there's always like a dot. Perhaps you can see it from the above. There's like a dot here, where you can place a paper clip, and the drive will open like it's being accessed when you click the button. Just push inside, and there's a mechanical way to make it push out the tray, but I don't have a simple paper clip. That's amazing. But there's one place I didn't look where I actually have paper. Give me a second. So I might have found something, and I'm sorry for the noise, guys. But I can't find the paperclip anywhere. It's crazy. So, okay, I'm back. So, like, my next purchase is gonna be a bag of paper clips. So, I actually found some LEDs which have like a really strong metal wire. So perhaps I'll be able to push it open. I don't know. Come on. No, it fits, but not that. Oh, damn it. Needs to be that long. I actually pushed it a bit, but it won't come out. Come on. You can do it. I don't want to break the drive. Come on. Okay, let's try and remove the plate now that it's free. Perhaps we can do it. No. No. The drive is still actively blocking us. Okay, I have another idea. I don't know why I've been doing this. We'll just power it on and press the button. And then turn it back off. So problem solving 101. We found another way. Come on. Okay, I also had I had a disc in it, I think. But it's brand new. Well, I tested it before. So now it's open. Ha, you didn't see it, but now I got power. Oops. Okay. Okay, so now you can remove the thing. And now we can also remove this thing, I guess. But how? Huh. Not that hard. Okay. So I guess the inner part will always be black. But who cares? Oh, also, I didn't check. We have Nero Express here. I should install that later. Actually, no. It's. Oh, I just saw the recommendation, Marcus. Sorry, but yeah, we came to the same conclusion. So it's a Celeron 533. It's actually a lot slower, I would say. Right? Yeah, I think Pentium 3s were like closer to gigahertz. But I wanted to be closer to DOS era because my other PC is a 486. Like if you want to go backwards. So where is the front panel? Can I put it back? Oh my god. I'm missing the plate? How is this possible? Did I put it somewhere else? No, please don't do this to me. But it was never opened when I got it. What happened? Did I put it somewhere else? Okay, let's check. Okay, let's be calm. Okay, this is the This is nothing. These have nothing on them. These have nothing on them. Oh, it's probably gonna stick black, I think. Oh my god, it's not here. Oh well, okay. And we did all this for nothing. I guess. But now it's horrible. It's gonna be like white with a black front. How is this possible? Did I place it? Guys, did you see me place it anywhere? This is from the... Not crazy, this is... Yeah. It's supposed to look like this! I don't know where it is. I can't believe that it's not here. No, I didn't misplace it. Okay, guys, if I find it later, it's fine. So for now, I'm gonna let it leave it black, I think. So we're gonna have to do this again. I think the guys had more than one, so I might be able to get another one. We'll see. But this is stupid. How did this happen? I might have replaced, like misplaced it somewhere inside here. I don't know. Oh, sorry, it's different. So okay, this is gonna stay black. I think it's the least of our worries right now. I'm gonna finish the build. Oh, it doesn't look nice, but it will work. At least for the drive we do have proper screws. That's something. So you're always gonna see my face whenever I have to sit down. Yes, I'm here, so let's see. How did I manage this? Seriously now. Okay, so these are done. So I want you to be able to see. So next up is the drive. 160 gigabytes, more than we'll probably need. But I couldn't find any drive that was less than that. It's like crazy. You just can't find a drive nowadays. I mean, okay, you can't find a small drive because it's an IDE drive, so it uses. It looks brand new. So it uses an IDE cable, so it's something like this.